This is how you know that Yeezys have gotten ridiculous. I review shoes for a living, and I don't know what these are, or when they came out, or why they exist, or anything about these. They're just another pair of Yeezys that are gray. And I wonder why Adidas doesn't sponsor me. Oh my goodness, I just went through the biggest fiasco, the biggest debacle, the biggest embargo. Definitely not an embargo. I ordered a pair of shoes off of GOAT like 2 weeks ago to get them early for you guys. I did instant ship, which usually takes 3 or 4 days, and just as I thought, it took 3 or 4 days to get to Toronto, and I was so excited because I was going to be able to share this amazing sneaker review with you guys. And then when they were supposed to be delivered to my house, poof, they disappeared out of thin air like they never existed. And DHL had no idea what to do. They were searching and searching and searching for this pair of shoes. They were phoning me every day, emailing me every day, saying, "Tom, we don't know what happened to your package." And finally, at the last moment possible, last night at 5:08 p.m., they somehow just poof, like they had never gone anywhere, popped up at my door again. They were, of course, the Fire Red 4s, which I wanted to show you guys like 5 days ago. But as a result of this unfortunate circumstance, I'm just showing you now. I already actually copped a second pair online because they're really easy to get this morning. They didn't sell out that quick or anything, which was amazing. I am in love with this shoe, but I haven't even seen them in person yet. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you're new. Let's take a look at the newly released 2020 Fire Red 5s. I just said Fire Red 5s. They are not Fire Red 5s. They are Fire Red 4s. I don't know if I said Fire Red 5s like the last 4 times I said 4s, but it's supposed to be 4s, not 5s. So, we did finally end up getting these shoes just 4 days later than I expected. So once again, I apologize that I wasn't able to give you guys an early review of these. It does really hurt my soul. On top of that, I had to pay $186 of duties to get these into the country, which was super frustrating because I wasn't even able to capitalize on having them before release date. But they are an amazing pair of shoes that I cannot wait to check out. So, all in all, these cost me a lot of money. $186 duty, and then I paid around $50 over retail. So I paid around $230 over retail, give or take. A lot of money. But this pair of shoes, I cannot wait to look at this. The box looks bigger than usual. Like, I've had tons of Jordan 4 boxes before, and this one is just built a little bit differently. It doesn't have that metal hole right there. I don't know if they're trying to do cost saving or something, but slightly different than most Jordan 4 boxes. Not that that matters to any of you guys. The Flight box right there, and then the cement paper, of course. All right, I'm going to close my eyes and let you guys see these first, because you guys deserve to see them before me, because I appreciate you guys supporting the channel and all that you do. Oh wow, the leather is nice on these. Oh my good, these are gorgeous. These are absolutely gorgeous. They also look huge. What size did I get? Did I get a size 13? Yeah, I got a size 13. These things are boats. These things are absolutely massive. I specifically remember that the size 12 was like $150 more expensive than these, now that I do say that, so it makes sense that I got the size 13. I personally am gonna have to be waiting until my size 12 gets in the mail, because I am not going to even try and wear the size 13. They're just a little bit too big, and it's gonna crease up really bad if they're too big, so I'd recommend definitely getting your correct size, and they're not reselling for like a ton right now, so it shouldn't be the most difficult thing in the world, even if you need to size swap. But if you guys haven't got these yet, this is a great pair of shoes. Just looking at these, the craftsmanship, they absolutely knocked it out of the park. Like, the leather looks amazing. There are no glue stains on my pair at all. Just the black and the dark fire red and the white and the gray. What a gorgeous, beautiful shoe. The retail is $200 on these, so it is $10 more expensive than most Jordan retros that we've been seeing. I'm not sure if that's because of the Nike Air on the back, or if it's because they're actually trying to jack up the price of Jordan Retros an extra $10. I haven't bought a pair of non-Jordan 1 Jordan Retros in a few months, so I don't know if the price has gone up from $190 to $200. I sure hope not, because I know that's only $10 here and there, but if you're buying a pair of shoes all the time like me, that's several $100s a year that I'm going to be spending extra on Jordan 4s. As I was saying, these weren't impossible to get. It's not like they were just an impossible sneaker to get that you couldn't find anywhere, that there was no chance of you getting them for retail. That was not the case. Tons of people were able to get these for retail. They released them on Nike early, like 3 weeks ago. So tons of people have already had these in hand for a while. But if you really wanted to get this pair of shoes and you didn't get them, please do yourself a favor and buy them before Christmas. The price is only going to go up. It happens with all of these shoes. Every single one of these classic Jordan shoes. And this is the lesson I want to teach you with this shoe. The thing I want you to watch out for with this shoe: buy it now before the price goes up. If you want to resell these, wait for the price to go up. Don't resell them now for your $30, $40 profit unless you want to make that quick flip. Because every shoe like this, the Bred 4s, the Bred 11s, the black cement 3s, the white cement 3s, the white cement 4s, all of these classic quintessential Jordan models that are widely produced and easy to get at retail. I'm not talking about like the Bred 1s that are impossible to get at retail, but stuff like this that's easy to get at retail. The Bred 4s, I bought 4 pairs of those for retail, and they weren't reselling for anything. I was getting people offering me retail plus tax plus shipping, and I was like, no thank you sir, I shall wait. And then now they're going for $550 a year and a half later. It's going to be similar with this. They're not reselling for that much, and they're going to be easy to get, and you might even find restocks at your local mall. You might find return pairs at your local Nike outlet. Stuff like that is going to happen on this pair of shoes, but the price is going to go up and up and up because there's so many pairs made of these. But as people start wearing them and there are less and less and less dead stock pairs, the demand for these is going to skyrocket. I all but guarantee you. So my advice would be, if you want a pair to wear, buy it within the next month. If you want to resell these and you don't need the cash immediately, sell them a year from now. That's just my opinion, but I feel pretty confident in saying that. I just can't get over how classic and clean and simple this pair of shoes is. Like, this is an everyday summer shoe for me. It's honestly a little bit of a shame that they decided to go with the Black Friday, Thanksgiving Day release instead of like a July release or a April release where we could enjoy these all summer and spring. But these will definitely be added to my rotation come summer. Just an amazing shoe that you could wear every day. The colors are so nice. You throw these on with a pair of black jeans, you're good to go. Throw these on with a pair of cargo pants, you're good to go. A pair of blue jeans, I really probably imagine myself wearing these mostly with just a light wash blue jean. I think, in my personal opinion, that's what white shoes look best with, but that is up for debate in the comment section below. Of course, I think it is a gorgeous pair of shoes, and then they did us right with the Nike Air on the heel. The leather, they did us right with it. The hang tag, OG hang tag, they did us right with everything. The stitching on the tongue looks immaculate. Jordan Brand did a really good job on these. So as I mentioned before, this is a size 13, so I'm personally not going to be keeping these, and you guessed it, these are going into the December mystery boxes. I'm going to leave a link in the description to pick up your December mystery box. Do not sleep on it. We made them way more limited than the past couple of months because we want to make it a special thing for you guys that want to pick up something for Christmas. So these are going to be in the December mystery box, $49.99, and also included in the December mystery box are some of the most life-changing Jordan sneakers ever. I don't want to tell you guys yet because we're not technically supposed to announce it, except if you click the link in the description, you can see everything that is included in the December mystery box. Pick one up before it is gone. But that being said, guys, I'm going to throw these on feet. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.